Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today for 2016 Hyundai Accent, stock number 7079. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 12th 2019. There's a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by CVT automatic transmission. This is a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard 1 dent, left front 14-inch steel wheel flat tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror has some peeling, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, with AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.